Hi guys! Chances are you have a solid collection of pots and pans, a great knife and a set of measuring cups in your kitchen. After all, these tools are essentials, but do you have a kitchen scale? Weight-based measurements are actually more precise than volume-based ones, which is why professional chefs rely heavily on scales when cooking 5-star meals, baking homemade bread and everything in between. All that to say, if you're looking to elevate your culinary skills, investing in a kitchen scale is a solid first step. Kitchen scales come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, making it easy to find one that suits your cooking style. You have your choice between easy-to-read digital food scales and classic analog options, and there are also scales small enough to fit in your pocket or slim enough to tuck into a kitchen drawer. Whether you're measuring flour, coffee beans, salad greens or something else entirely, here are some of the best kitchen scales, as recommended by professional chefs. So, let's get started. Number 10 is a sleek, compact scale with a 33-pound capacity. Most kitchen scales have a weight limit of around 11 to 15 pounds, but this sleek unit from Megawise has a much higher capacity. It can hold up to 33 pounds and offers measurements in 1 gram increments. The scale's flat design makes it easy to store, and you can either charge it via USB cord or use 2 AAA batteries to power it. Supports 724 live chat support, free upgrade to full replacement guarantee, no need to return. We treat you like family and want you to be happy. If you are not satisfied, we simply refund your money. Unique horizontal screen design, simple operation, weighing at the left, operation and display on the right, very unique and special on the market. So that you can read the measurement and change the unit more conveniently and easily. Precision be the great chief easily. This kitchen scale, designed with 4 built-in high-precision load sensors, can weigh food from 0.04 ounces 1g to 33 pounds 15 kilograms, accurate 0.04 ounces 1g increments. Whether you need to control the ingredients proportion of a cake, or you just want to control the amount of seasonings, it satisfies your needs perfectly. The next is number 9. A unit with a built-in bowl that's ideal for meal prepping. If you're looking for a scale to measure out food portions, the Atexity food scale is a top choice thanks to its built-in measuring bowl. It offers 5 units of measurement, ounces, pounds, grams, fluid ounces and milliliters, and can hold up to 11 pounds. The detachable bowl makes it easy to weigh all sorts of food, and it can be flipped upside down for easier storage. High precision, minimum measurements, 1g. Upgraded sensors offer instant readings and reliable measurements for items. Unique dual increments, 1000g, 0.1g, 1000-5000g, 1g. Practical bowl, flip up and down for usage and storage. Detachable design, free mix ingredients, easy storage in small size, be used as a space-saving protective cover and directly measure without the bowl. Various unit options, weigh up to 11 pounds 5 kilograms across 5 units of measurement, in addition to switching between milk and water density. The next is number 8. A compact scale to measure small quantities. Hollingsworth likes to have a pocket scale on hand for weighing out small portions of powders or spices, and this top-rated option from Weighgram is ideal for the job. It has a maximum capacity of 100 grams and measures in precise 0.01 gram increments. Plus, the scale is just 3 by 5 inches, making it compact enough to toss in a drawer or your bag for traveling. About this item, this pocket scale allows you to weigh a maximum capacity of 100g and readabilities of 0.01g, to guarantee you an accurate and precise weighing session. The pocket scale, designed with a stainless steel platform and a protective flip cover. This pocket scale is a lightweight and portable for easy transfer. Pocket scale have easy touch buttons, large size digits and stark contrast LCD blue backlit display, makes it easy to read in all light conditions. The next is number 7. A scale timer combo to perfect your morning brew. Scales are indispensable to baristas, and Chef Hollingsworth notes that coffee snobs should have a scale at home to weigh water and coffee if they want consistently excellent brew. He personally recommends the Hario V60 drip coffee scale and timer for drip coffee. It measures in 0.1 gram increments for extreme precision, delivering a more consistent cup of coffee every single time. Plus, it has a built-in timer that lets you perfect bloom times and pours. Drip coffee scale, perfect measurements make for a perfect brew. Hario's V60 drip coffee scale measures in 0.1 gram increments for the highest precision. Designed to perfectly accompany your Hario V60 coffee drippers, designed for coffee lovers, perfect for your daily pour-over or manual coffee pours. This scale features a built-in timer to help you follow and repeat brew recipes accurately. Auto-off feature. After 5 minutes. Slim design, the V60 drip scale is designed to comfortably fit a server while maintaining a small footprint in your kitchen. Slim, sleek, and easy to store. The next is Number 6. A heavy-duty floor scale that can hold up to 150 pounds. If you need to weigh heavy bags of ingredients, you'll need a utility scale like this one from Rubbermaid, which can handle up to 150 pounds. This is a rugged scale for all the heavy weighing, says Chin. It's textured on the top, allowing containers to stay put. The display pad has a 9-foot cord, allowing it to be mounted to a nearby wall, and it features simple buttons for zeroing, switching between pounds and kilograms and turning the scale on and off. Plus, the scale can be powered via an AC outlet or a 9-volt battery. Proper inventory control begins at the receiving door. Remote LCD display with 9-foot cord mounts on walls. Tear feature removes weight of container easily. Rugged design handles heavy packages and containers. Non-skid platform with grid design keeps packages in place. Auto-off reserves battery power. AC adapter or 9V battery. Max capacity 400.0 pounds 181.4 kf. Next is Number 5. A larger scale with special features for baking. This MyWay kitchen scale does it all, according to Chin, and it's ideal for bakers. It offers precise readings down to the gram and has a 7 kilogram capacity. It even calculates bakers' percentages, she says, referring to a system of measurement where the quantity of each ingredient is presented as a percentage of the amount of flour, which is always set at 100%. A removable plastic cover protects the scale's LCD screen, and the flat platform is also removable, making it a breeze to clean. Use mid-sized scale for kitchen and office platform, reinforced and removable stainless steel platform covers, protective and removable LCD and faceplate covers. Capacity, precise, 1 gram readings and 7 kilogram capacity. Durability, reinforced ABS plastic body for durability. The next is Number 4. A no-frills option that's easy on your wallet. For those who don't cook or bake that frequently, a basic and affordable scale may be the way to go. The Greater Goods Digital Food Kitchen Scale offers just a few key functions: tare, change units and zero out, and it costs less than $20. It also has a pretty decent capacity of 11 pounds. Plus, the brand donates to charity with each purchase. The biggest plus with this great scale is that all kitchen purchases from Greater Goods fund meals for children in the care of the Global Orphan Project, says Chin. The next is Number 3. A retro pick that requires no batteries. You can keep things classic with an analog kitchen scale like this popular pick from Escalade. The retro scale has a shiny stainless steel exterior and a large, easy-to-read dial that shows both kilograms and pounds. It has a max weight capacity of 11 pounds, and best of all, there are no batteries required. This scale has a capacity of 11 pounds and provides weight readings in 1-ounce increments using the following units: lb, Oz, kg. Removable stainless steel measuring bowl included. Tare feature subtracts a container's weight to obtain the weight of its contents. Shatterproof dial cover with stainless steel rim. The next is Number 2. An inexpensive pick that comes in a variety of colors. The Escalade Primo has been a top-rated digital food scale for years, and it's easy to see why. Fast and accurate, it has a user-friendly interface with just 2 buttons, one for on-off tare and another to switch between grams and ounces. Plus, it remains on for about 4 minutes before automatically powering off, helping to conserve battery life. Tim Hollingsworth, chef and owner of Odium, CJ Boyd's and Free Play in Los Angeles, is a fan of this inexpensive scale. The escalade is awesome, he says. It is very durable and minimalist, so it fits nicely where you need to store it. The next is Number 1. Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale, digital grams and ounces for weight loss, baking, cooking, keto and meal prep. High precision weight. Atexity digital food scale equipped with 4 built-in high precision load sensors have 0.05 ounces 1g increments when adding ingredients, capacity 5 kilograms 11 pounds. Multi-units conversion. This scale can easily convert units, can help you measure different type of foods and ingredients. Tare function. The tare function allows you to subtract the weight of container, and can help you get the accurate reading for food and ingredients. User-friendly features. This scale has a backlit LCD display, staying 30 seconds for reading and also with auto-off function, allowing the scale to turn off after 2 minutes to save battery. So this is the best option for you to buy. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.